أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan the rejected. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأني فضلتكم على العالمين.
O children of Israel, remember all the favors I granted you and how I honored you above the others.
واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها شفاعة ولا يؤخذ منها عدل ولا هم ينصرون.
Guard yourselves against the day on which no soul will be of help to another, no intercession will be accepted, no ransom taken, and no help will be given.
وَإِذْ نَجَّيْنَاكُمْ مِنْ آلِ فِرْعَوْنَ يَسُومُونَكُمْ سُوءَ الْعَذَابِ يُذَبِّحُونَ أَبْنَاءَكُمْ وَيَسْتَحْيُونَ نِسَاءَكُمْ وَفِي ذَلِكُمْ بَلَاءٌ مِّن رَّبِّكُمْ عَظِيمٌ.
Remember how we delivered you from the people of Pharaoh, who afflicted you with dreadful torment, slaughtering your sons and keeping your women. That was a severe test from your Lord.
وَإِذْ فَرَقْنَا بِكُمُ الْبَحْرَ فَأَنجَيْنَاكُمْ وَأَغْرَقْنَا آلَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنظُرُونَ.
And remember, when we parted the sea, rescued you, and drowned Pharaoh's people before your very eyes.
وَإِذْ وَاعَدْنَا مُوسَىٰ 40 ليلة ثم اتخذتم العجل من بعده وأنتم ظالمون.
And remember, when we appointed 40 nights for Moses, then you worshipped the calf in his absence, acting wrongfully.
ثم عفونا عنكم من بعد ذلك لعلكم تشكرون.
Even then, we still forgave you, so perhaps you would be grateful.
صدق الله العظيم.
Allah said the truth.